Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this session, we are going to see what are the possible ways of loading JavaScript file inside the HTML page. And we are going to see the four possible ways like loading the script in head section and body section and using the keywords differ and async. And we will see what is the best among them and what to use depends on your requirement. So first let us see how to load the JavaScript file in head section. What I'm going to do, I am going to create a one file called app.js file, new file, and let us save it as app.js. So we have the app.js here. So I have nothing as of now. Now we need to load this app.js into the HTML page. How to do it? So inside the head section, you can use the script tag, and here we need to mention the src, which means source, and let us give the path app.js. This way we load the script. So to ensure that script is loaded, let us write something in it and execute it. So let us use alive, save it. So let us run, right click, open with the live server, and there you go. You can see that script loaded. Now let us see how to load the JavaScript file in the body section. So just simple, just cut it, and so before end of the body closing tag, let's use it. And now again right click, open with the live server. Again you can see that script loaded. So then what is the difference between loading it in head section and body section? So let us see. Just copy it, paste it here again. So we just moved back to the head section. So now we are loading inside the head section itself, right? So now what I do, I am going to add one paragraph here. Let us give some ID, message. Let us set some message to the paragraph. How to do that? Let us access this paragraph inside the app.js. Let's remove it. Let message element equal to document dot query selector, and let us use this. So since we have given id, we have to use the hash. So now message element dot inner html equal to script loaded in head section. So let us refresh the page. We see nothing. It means it didn't set the value that we set here, right? Script loaded in the head section, it didn't. Why it didn't work? Why? So let's open the console, F12, and go to the console. Let me keep to the right. Yes, you can see that uncaught type error, can't set property in HTML of null. And this is the most important thing you need to remember. And this is one of interview question definitely. So now let us examine it. What is happening here? So you can see that cannot set property inner HTML of null. So let us go to sources, and we have app.js, and put the debug pointer here. I'm sure you know how to debug the code, and if you are not aware of it, please watch my video. I will be mentioning it in the description of the video. So just refresh it. You can see that now. Press F10. You can see that message element is null. Why it is null? And therefore, when it is null, obviously we get this error, that uncaught reference error. But why it is null? Because we are loading the script in the head section. So the script loads first, and once the script loads, then only this rendering of the HTML will continue. So whenever the parser finds this line, like script line, what it will do, it will load it. So after that only this HTML will be rendered. So that's the reason by the time it is script is loaded and it is trying to access the HTML element, this HTML content is not rendered and it is not parsed. That's why we are getting the error. So now let us load this same app.js in the body section. Comment it, Control C, before end of the closing tag of body section. Save it, and now you can see that script loaded in body section. So now it is available. Now what is happening? So now by the time we load the script file in the body section, the HTML content is available. So that is the reason now we can see the message here, right? Let us press F12 and just refresh it. So now we see message element. So instead of undefined or null, now we can see that paragraph and then we are setting the value. This is the huge difference between loading the script in head section and body section.